I watch countless amount of YouTube videos demonstrating how to clean soldering iron, and after experimenting and cleaning my own soldering iron, I decided to share the method that I use with you. So here's a quick demonstration. First, I use a soldering iron to melt a piece of plastic, and as you can see, the contaminants from the plastic prevented the soldering iron from melting the soldering wire properly. So I tried the wet sponge method but made a slight change. I didn't just use a wet sponge, I also added a dry sponge, which made the cleaning process much faster. In the end, I achieved the result that I wanted, as you can see here. So what I'd advise you to do is to experiment with the cleaning process and see how quickly you can get your soldering iron clean and shiny, ready for soldering. I hope you found this video very helpful, and if you did, please remember to like, share, and subscribe to my channel for more content.